Toyota Motor Manufacturing Kentucky, known for producing the most popular sedan in the US, the Camry, for 18 years in a row, added America's most popular SUV to its production lineup this week with its first 2020 RAV4 Hybrid rolling off the assembly line. In 2019, the RAV4 Hybrid had its best sales year to date, up 92.3%, and helped the RAV4 become the best-selling SUV in a calendar year. With the addition of the RAV4 Hybrid to its manufacturing mix, Toyota Motor Manufacturing Kentucky now produces 4 electrified vehicles, including the Avalon Hybrid, Camry Hybrid, and the Lexus ES300 Hybrid.